Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch an Audi S3 updated. Start by warming engine and tires, check tire pressure, and select the correct driving mode. Next, disable any unwanted traction assists if your car requires it. Then engage launch control by holding the brake and flooring the throttle as instructed by your car's manual. Release the brake smoothly, monitor revs, and shift when the gearbox indicates for a clean, controlled launch. Start by selecting launch control or the appropriate drive mode, and make sure stability systems are set as needed. Hold the brake firmly and apply full throttle until the engine reaches the targeted RPM indicated in your car's guidance. When ready, release the brake in one controlled motion and let the system manage torque to the wheels. Be prepared to shift when the gearbox signals for the best acceleration and maintain a steady steering input. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after performance sessions, because life's too short for a stinky car. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content for you. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, enjoy the fresh ride. Now let's get back to the video. If you experience excessive wheel spin, pull over safely, warm the tires, and adjust pressures within recommended limits. Avoid successive launches that can overheat the transmission and brakes, allowing cool-down intervals between runs. If ABS or traction systems intervene, consult your vehicle settings to understand what can be safely altered for controlled launches. Always prioritize safety and legal locations for performance driving, and practice until you can repeat consistent, smooth launches without harsh corrections.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.